Number 10, x equals 8 and y equals x squared plus 8. The graphs of the equations in the given system of equations intersect at the point x, y in the xy plane. What is the value of x? So a system of equations, if we are graphing them, they can cross at 1 point, 2 point, no points, infinite points. We are told here there is 1 point where they intersect. Okay, and what do we have here? We have x equals 8, that is a vertical line. Okay, so I'm just visualizing. I don't know where everything is in space, but I'm like, okay, I've got a vertical line, poorly drawn. That is x equals 8. Can't even write the 8 on the screen. And then I have y equals x squared plus 8, which is a parabola. Okay, so I've got a parabola, and I'm, based on my knowledge of about where things are going to be, something like this is what it's going to look like, something along these lines. I've got a parabola and it's going to cross a line. And they're wanting to know, at this point, this is the point x, y. What is y? Where do they cross? Anytime you have a system of equations, you can do it mathematically, or you can try to do it mathematically, or you can try to do it graphically. I'm going to show you both. So mathematically, you're going to solve for x and solve for y. You can do this through substitution. That is, you get one of the variables by itself. You would get like x equals something or y equals something, and then you plug it into the other equation, and that gets rid of one of the variables and lets you solve. There are more videos. I go into depth on substitution and elimination. I'm going to link those below. A lot of reference videos down there for you if you want some additional help on these topics. Elimination, where you line them up, make it so one of the variables cancels out, you add them together. Or graphing, you put both of these equations into a graphing calculator like Desmos, or you graph them by hand, and you see where they cross. Now, looking at this right here, substitution is jumping out at me because I already have x equals something already. I know that x equals 8. Okay, well, if x equals 8, I can just plug 8 in here for x, and then I can get my y, right? Because I know y is equal to x squared plus 8. And if I know x is 8, there we go, I can find my y. 8 squared is 64, and 64 plus 8 is 72. That's my y. Y is 72. And that's D. That's all there is to that. Frankly, I think that's the easier way to look at it and go, okay, well, if x is 8, I can just plug 8 in to the other equation, and 8 squared plus 8. All right, 72. But graphing is definitely another way you can do this. And if you graph it, I just took a screenshot of when I put it into Desmos. Here we have the graphs of x equals 8 and y equals x squared plus 8. And if you go to the point of intersection, you will see that it is 8 and 72. Just make sure that you double check and read the question, because it says, what is the value of y at that point? Because looky here, they've got a little red herring answer of 8, because they know that that point is 872, and they're counting on some of you seeing that 8 and putting it in. But no, they did not ask for the x. They asked for the y, which again is 72. D is your answer. Hey guys, if this was helpful or useful in any way, please let YouTube know so I can keep helping you and others like you. Comment, like, share, subscribe, you know the drill. Also, if you're interested in practical or fun math-related items like this math clock or this hopefully humorous t-shirt, click on the links down below to check out my Spreadshop and Etsy stores. Thank you so much for stopping by. Hope you have a great day. See you later. Bye.